with the hyper grinder, which substantially cuts down on now not only the edging time, but the paper consumption. And the hyper grinder is a 4-disc head, and in this room I went through exactly 4 discs. So the original 4 discs that I put on to start the room is the ones that I finished up with. And I did drop the speed from high speed on 10, which is 1,000 RPMs, and drop it down to 5. On the variable speed unit, the lowest speed is 500 RPMs, and the high speed on that machine is 1,000, and I was at 5, so I was in the middle. Let's go take a look at the discs. There's the 4 discs, just did that 15 by 13 rum, 40 grit Bowna Green, and that's what did it. That's the only 4 that were on the head, and that's 2 coats of paint, low melt finish, and this is the alternative head. It's a puck system. It's a heavier head by nearly 10 pounds when I weighed them, and it's just built more heavy duty. The gears are the same. This is really what makes the difference right here. It's just a great system, and there's a couple of different attachments you can get to go into these, but they just snap right on, and there you go. And I do have the Sealy's that I got have the hole in the middle. They're from Neuralite, and so the hole in the middle, a lot of people ask why is there a hole in the middle? Less heat buildup, because this is your smallest point, and that spins the fastest, and that's where it's going to clog up the worst, or it's going to clog up first anyways, and the worst, and it's going to just deteriorate the integrity of your abrasive. So there you go. You can see how the middle isn't being used nearly as much as the outskirts because of that hole. So it just saves on abrasives. So there you go, kids. 2 coats of paint, Bowna Green with the Sealy's, with the alternative puck head. And I only went through 4 discs, and I can probably go on to another room with that, where normally if you were edging, you'd probably been through just about half a box, if not a full box by now.